Hello there, I'm Dave Allen, I'm Green Geeky, and Michaela was asking how you do this thing where you have the text here, picture underneath, and then you have a square or a rectangle area here that you want behind the text, and you want the text to be cut out of that rectangle, and it's actually quite easy. So we'll get our rectangle tool and we'll start at the top here in the left hand corner and bring it down so the rectangle is about the right size, and it's going to be a black rectangle, so let's change colours over. So black rectangle, and I don't want any border on the outside of that there, so just put no border on that there. Now what I want to do is I want to put this rectangle underneath the text. Okay, so I've got that underneath the text now, and I'm going to select both of those. So let's select both of those, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a subtract, and I've got the job done. So that's as simple as that. The only thing you might want to do after that is to go to this one here and change the opacity, so you got a bit of the picture showing through there. So I'll bring the opacity down on that there, and it's kind of looking right now. This text here isn't showing up that well. Maybe it's because the picture behind it is a little bit dark. So what you could do with that is you could get another rectangle, and let's put the rectangle up here, make it so it's going to go behind the other rectangle that's there, so that's about the right size. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make it a white rectangle. So let's go to the colours up here, change the colour of it from black to white. I'm going to put it underneath this here. So what I'll do now is to change the blend mode of that white rectangle so that it's going to look a bit better. And we could do it so that we're going to do a overlay. That kind of work. Well, you choose whatever sort of blend mode that works for you anyway. And you can change the blend mode and maybe the opacity to get just what you're looking for. Okay, so there you go. You got your text cut out of this rectangle here, and you can see this picture underneath the rectangle, this black rectangle. How cool is that then?